How to fix Bluetooth file transfer not working on Windows. 1. Use Bluetooth icon on your taskbar. Hint, right-click the Bluetooth icon, then choose Receive a File. 2. Use Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID Device Diagnostic Command. 3. Update your Bluetooth drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Set a COM port for your PC. Path, Bluetooth options COM ports incoming, device initiates the connection. 5. Remove and reinstall your Bluetooth drivers. 6. Make sure that the Bluetooth service is running. 7. Enable file sharing for devices that use 40 or 56-bit encryption in Control Panel. Path, Control Panel Network and Sharing Center change advanced sharing settings. 8. Enter Scared command into run box. 9. Install the latest updates.